This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken Zinger burger at home. Start by preparing your chicken breasts, flattening them to about 1/2 inch thick. This helps them cook evenly and quickly. Next, create a flavorful marinade using buttermilk, your favorite hot sauce, garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. Submerge the chicken in this mixture and refrigerate for a minimum of 2 hours or even overnight to infuse maximum flavor and tenderness. This crucial step is the secret to a truly juicy Zinger. Now for the signature crispiness. Prepare a dry coating with 2 cups of all-purpose flour, garlic powder, paprika, and a pinch of cayenne pepper for that zesty kick. Dip each marinated chicken piece into the dry flour, then briefly into cold water and back into the flour, pressing firmly to create those craggy, crispy bits. Fry the coated chicken in oil preheated to around 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 7 to 9 minutes, flipping halfway, until golden brown and cooked through. Every great burger needs a fantastic sauce. For our zesty Zinger sauce, whisk together 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1½ tablespoons of ketchup, and 1½ tablespoons of sriracha. You can also add a teaspoon of lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of mustard paste for an extra layer of flavor. Mix it well and taste, adjusting the spiciness to your preference with a little more hot sauce or cayenne. The final step is assembling your masterpiece. Lightly toast your burger buns for a warm, inviting base. Spread a generous amount of your delicious homemade Zinger sauce on both the top and bottom buns. Then, layer fresh lettuce, your perfectly crispy fried chicken fillet, and a slice of cheddar cheese. Top it off with the other bun, and there you have it, a mouth-watering, homemade chicken Zinger burger ready to be devoured.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.